What's wrong with you? I'm Gojo! Ha ha ha! Freshman of 7 years! I was transferred to Riz Academy after I was kicked from Gatterson High School. Nice to meet you.
Gojo, I don't think this guy's okay.
Yo, look, man. You can't have you just going around harassing the freshmen. It's bad look on us and against the school rules. What? No freshmen? But those white purdy guyats. I need my guyats. I need my guyats. I need my guyats. If I can't have my guyats, then no one can! Maximum output! Purple, air this down! Everybody dying, me included!
What the freak is wrong with this guy? Gojo, you know yourself best. Let me get rid of this freak.
Alright, first of all, do not compare me to that walking hazard. Second of all, I'm the strongest, dude. I couldn't even tell you if I tried.
Hoy! Ina mo! Yung mga barkada mo! Nang babato sa bahay namin! Ha? Huwag kayong magbabato sa bahay namin! Ina mo!
Guys need to make sure you study your writing for Spanish class. Es muy importante para la clase de estudiar, de escribir para el wax.
Bata! Bata!
Is a song about the fear of losing someone. Yung gusto mo na person na yun laging nasa tabi mo. Lahat ng bagay na bumubuo din sa person na yun within your reach.